Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the recipe of coconut chutney. This is a South Indian dish which is used as an accompaniment with idlis and dosas. So friends, let's look into the ingredient list now. Our first ingredient is of course some coconut. Here I have around 300 grams of shredded coconut. And I am using some frozen coconut, but you can opt for the freshly shredded coconut too. Next, I have around 7 to 8 pieces of cashew nut, 2 green chillies roughly chopped, around an inch of ginger roughly chopped, around 9 to 10 pieces of peanut, 1 tablespoon of Bengal Gram Dal which I have washed thoroughly and then soaked it for at least 1 hour. And for the tempering, we need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry red chillies and a few curry leaves. So we'll start off by preparing the paste. For that I'll pour in the coconut first in the grinding jar. Next I'll add in the gram dal, peanuts, ginger, green chillies and the cashew nuts. And around 2 tablespoons of water, and now we are going to grind it into a fine paste. All the ingredients are almost grinded, and to this I am going to add in some seasoning, salt according to taste and a little bit of sugar, and I am going to give another quick mix to it. And this is how my coconut paste should look once it's been grinded. And now we'll move on to preparing the tadka and pour it over it. My pan is on heat, and to this I'm going to add in around 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let it heat up a bit. Next I'll add in the dry red chillies, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. As you can see, my mustard seeds have started crackling. And I'm going to switch off the gas right now and add in the curry leaves. I'll let this tadka cool down a bit before we add it to the coconut chutney. And finally, we'll add in the tadka to the coconut paste and give it a mix. And our coconut chutney is ready to be served. My coconut chutney is ready, and this is a part of my South Indian dishes. In an earlier video, I had shown you how to make sambar and aloo masala for the dosas, and in future videos, I am going to show you how to make dosa and idli. And on that note, I am going to end my video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.